How to auto scroll TikTok on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to start by going in settings. Once you are in settings, you have to go for accessibility, and here you have to go for this voice control and simply enable this. Once you have enabled your voice control, you have to go for this customize commands under the languages. And once you are here, you have to go for the custom on the top and simply create a new command. And first of all, start by entering your phrase, which is swipe, and in the action you have to go for the run custom gesture, and now simply swipe up and make sure it's a straight line, so try to be more accurate like this. So once you're done, simply save it. Now go back and save it again. Once you are done, you can now test it by going in your TikTok and here you just have to say your phrase, which is swipe, and it will automatically swipe for you. So that's how basically you can scroll TikTok on iPhone.